Good morning, students. Today I am going to perform experiment number 2 of section A, that is to find the resistance of a given wire using meter bridge. The points which is to be mentioned in the copy are same as per the first experiment. Now we are moving to the experimental setup. In experimental setup, we are having this device which is known as the meter bridge because it consists of a wire of length 1 meter which is made up of constant and manganese. Now the second thing is there are two gaps. One is left gap, another one is the right gap of this meter bridge. The left gap is filled with a resistance box, while in the right gap we should connect the wire whose resistance is to be calculated. Now the left terminal is termed as a positive terminal while connecting it with the positive terminal of the cell, and the negative terminal of the cell with a wire, and a key is connected to the another end of this meter bridge which is known as the negative terminal. Now in the middle a galvanometer is connected. The one terminal of galvanometer is connected with the meter bridge, and another terminal with a long wire is connected with this device which is known as jockey, which is to be slide over the wire for finding the balancing length. Now first of all, by making the switch on, we should check whether the circuit is which we have arranged is working in a proper way or not. While we touch this jockey towards the left of this device, then we observe the opposite deflection in the galvanometer. While we connect the jockey in the left gap, we observe the deflection in the opposite direction. You can observe deflection in the needle is in the opposite direction. Now here, if we connect it with the another end, then we also observe the deflection in the opposite direction of the galvanometer. If the deflection is in the opposite direction, then we can say our circuit arrangement is correct. Now coming to the observation table. In observation table, the first thing is the length of given wire. Yani we are talking about the length of this. This we have taken about 40 centimeters. So we have mentioned it. Now the resistance from the resistance box. To perform the experiment, we can remove a resistance from the resistance box This is of 2 ohms. Now start sliding the jockey on the wire which is vertically. Now keep eye on the galvanometer and we observe that at this point we are getting the null point this is the null point and which is 32 centimeters. We are getting the null point at 32. It means we can fill this table as we have removed the resistance of 2 ohm. Now the balancing length is found to be 32. Then remaining length may be calculated by 100 minus 32 and it may be 68. Now with the help of this relation 100 minus L upon L into R, we can calculate the unknown resistance. Means 68 upon 32 into 2. In this way we can calculate the unknown resistance. Now for second reading we can remove the two key and one is of 1 ohm, second one is of 2 ohm. It means the total resistance offered by the resistance box is of 3 ohm. Now again start sliding the jockey on the wire in such a way to get the deflection, null deflection in the galvanometer. And here we got the null point. We can measure, we can note down the length. This is of 35 where we got the null point. This will be the second reading. Now we can mention here 3 ohm of resistance, 35 is of balancing length, then 100 minus 35, then this will be 565, and then we can calculate the unknown resistance by this relation. In this way we can repeat the experiment for 3 or 4 readings and then it will be completed.